Hi, I'm Cassandra Allen Brown, owner of bagsbycab.com, yarn shop in Denver, Colorado, and today I'm going to teach you how to double crochet. Tools that you will need to double crochet will be a crochet hook. This one is a size G, and you will also need yarn that your pattern calls for. This is cotton 100%. To double crochet, yarn over, insert in your stitch, pull it through, yarn over, pull through the first two stitches, the loops that are on your hook, yarn over, pull through the last two stitches, loops that are on your hook. One double crochet made. We'll try that again. Yarn over, insert in your stitch, pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops only, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Second double crochet. Third double crochet, yarn over, insert into your stitch, pull it through. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops on your hook. Double crochet. I'm Cassandra Allen Brown of Bags by Cab Yarn Shop in Denver, Colorado, and that's how you double crochet.